Erade mesro huna fiaswas nega mayi mobo. Erade mesro huna fiaswas nega mayi mobo. Na mo be wo maame. Na de maame ni timi feche de mamwane no me. Mo be wo maame. Na de maame ni timi ka ema echire nipa ma nipa ka to mo nkola no mo so ane se no me. Fiaswas nega mayi fiti politicians so, fiti asofofo so, from individuals so. Wo bia na no na wadome nkola yi everybody tin kwofo adome nkola yi adome maami adome na sefo ama apostle Kwadwo Safo so enra wa hwe video na afie ti na tam na sun adome afia mai everybody me come nkoto dwani mesro hu na afie so stega mane mobo mesro hu nkola ne mobo na ubenya maami bi sei die afanyinam senka wotena asesa ajanka Ghana ha ya ka mo se mayenka Yaka mo se mayanka eno me na bi kan fiaswa ste gan na sefo nko a Kwadwo Safo su o wasu ni su papa na te kan ni su a watie se abofra ni nim ne da afiaswa ste gan mi hye ne ba bi ada na me hwe bra mabo me se no me ne bi kan fiaswa ste gan ko bi be kan wo hye me a de afiaswa ste gan be no social media no so bia bu feel say ye The aviation snake was social media no supia mo kwani page ko commenting. I started this fight 2018. 2018 I'm sharing to koya say 18 ama Ghanaian youth say somebody like a fish was nigga ya no say onipa but my ya no wasama waka. I've been having insult every day. Now no was it yen. Minya koka bibi pagana for nya wona started it na time minya just stay gatemo na mum niema woya emwo abegin trehe abegin sem no ehwo asem na meka ya ka mo se mayenka then we will have people coming on your own post to insult you mesia no me na bi beka mo and no me na bi beka I have started this fight on Instagram or social media all alone since 2018. And probably if I had support from you people, and can fear the way anyway, yet the fear betting samo, the fear yo, me just want me tia de minobia. I find I'm 2 bedrooms have contained my mind, and then media. Minobia, not to insult Apostle Kwadwo Safo, Mr. Ghana Penifo in our original same way, Muna Munim. Ghana Penifo has risen in this case, Muna Munim. And out of your ignorance, you still come on people's page to insult them. Me say, what your first was nigga bayana enye? You can't. What's in my young canon? No me the back count. Apostle Kwadwo Safo sooner was smoke as a cock Ghana as a cock on the back count. A back count. Apostle Kwadwo Safo when first was nigga video no sue. And he wept. Bible man Rebecca said, and he wept. Papa no sue. Yes, in this so many no. Asma what can I say? Na me nya fias was nigga bonnet da. Me God me shall da me nimo no. I don't know the dim time. A few what me ka say. Obi obey so Apostle Kwadwo Safo ka o Ghana ha bia no. Woni mu nyansa. Opem so o say tutu. Me tene so na ma sore ye. Asante hene otu kanta kas ne ba ko 3. Woni mu nyansa. What the attempt the open for attempt open so what the attempt wo man yimu cap no na aye man abo bia be wu a o pregrara no wo o cap no e na aye man Ghana ha be kasem we ye be German akade anka ya nto ba bi wo man yimu what the attempt pen eye me start okun we 2018 me nyankofo so masene ma ye kon yanka wo jai kwase ase
never have address the issue concerning Efias Schwarzenegger. Any me papa engineer Apostle Kwadwo Safo we me nyankopon oyemeboafo oyemade nyina oyemebosom se kase obi obosoma entrese dua bi edina to ana obobu a edina to ayesom no ni mu oyade a esom obo sa ana bosom etie mama mencho de Apostle enipa oye ene ne otimi ye na se woni se nipa wonya asem a and you'll be a cat say, Kona Kopanto. Now, for the first time, Mr. Mama may audio, Alpha and reply to the Fiatas bigger, and she said, the Fuay and Miss Sonso. Nemo Mimi Papa engineer Apostle Kwadwo Safo me nyanko for Madina. And the tia on that tia as me can Ghana for how me Christopher for any power name Mr. Morning Monuma Posafo. And him said, Mimi Cato, me can't play through. Mimi so bia we ase o. Enti na me di this bo. Dey mo me di bibia wo nyansem. Ebi se ba ko se nyansem fit ase no Yakob osuro. Dey osuro nyame no Awurade ma ne ku nyansa. Me papa e fa na Apostle Joseph engineer 1. Oye mi Nyankopon. A me so nipa bi ni Ghana krom ha. Ye me kan asofo mu wani. Eni mo mo nya asofo mu wani, eni se ye me kan ye no kure so no. Me say bi no be ya adwene, ebi ni so eni me nya adwene. We ye papa obi di na tam. Na nipa ni ko jana nim. Na wo di na tam, wo di na tam papa. Eye me papa Apostle Joseph. O mie na no enka hwe da. O se jamoa. Onye kraman ene wako wo. Enti wo ye ni bibia na papa de nani ene ehwe wo. Onkasa. Na wo pese wo obi o dangerous o wiase a one ne ne we na de a o hu no onkasa. Ebi se me de manyame asinduabo. Wo ye obi ade. Na o se de wo ye me nka ho hwe. Meja manyame asinduabo. Wo we ye be tan. Enti me papa no be nkone koma no ono nkone kom at the right time. And it's a my mama reply a first as nigga. I'm a medina tem. Send you been my expecting. You won't get me. I will never do it. Come on, this will make that video so in a tem. No way. Yet is our for papa fast out today. And the yes idea. Now I'm doing this video. Now I clear air manipulating them say. And yes, I believe you have a count. They won't papa fast out to me. Obedi me we yaw. It is our papa, obedi papa na sama. So be me papa Apostle Safo enya asama ono no okase yenya nipa no na ono no obi nkone kom ema no obi a so obi nkone kom no muse se nipa no wo ye dangerous me nya asamo Italy ye che me last 2 years na 31st January na Thursday and ye che me. And then we got to prison. You jail me Friday. You jail me 9 months, 10 days. As far as I can Italy branch, and then we have enough for no and end of this story. You then we got to your mama lawyer. The devil Friday, Saturday, Sunday, my friend lawyers first Obiama. Me give you our German of Frapper stuff for born and papa. Se boy na problem get na kotum o se kawa tu yo na meba ho o ti Ghana o so meba ho me da ho Wednesday enumere Tuesday Monday ade Tuesday na so da say me so akọ washroom akọ so ena me nya me hu se abosafo ejina door no washroom door na nim obi tam se ko si bo wo ye dem ha mi be bi ma no pe osisebo besim yenko o wapen no yim sheme ade tinya no sorry ye ana me nya agide se me papa me hu ni de be kofie because otaye o ka so be ba wa ba o hu Wednesday anado 10:35 ase we am ke me se repeat otina na me ba me the documents ne be ba Wednesday 10:35 na on the 5th Mo amunim computer mo na munim date no mo aso make nyan on the 5th na ye Wednesday amado 10:35 abotre 10:35 ye bia prison yi obi manya lawyer obi anyima so mama me na kwa Apostle abedi masem Apostle abedi masem amami enunti no ya ba be yi bi efrefia so se na obebi gate ni ma msem nkono Wednesday 10:35 and Umbobo prove that said one set appear Richard Brown listen me papa did say o ma be did say and he fan and the two we here then me can be the question and say 5 minutes back on your man free them akoro 7 years this is the manner obi di na tem this is the manner and now obi so am obi di na tem this is the manner Ghana ha ye fa any pe bi no mu fa na wi ye mu say we obi me can we out from go to the Apostle here. Na say, o say, send the power here can pass some to o you be a and the open be almost in the yena. Fire. Now what's what number so baba? Bible says until you or nemo the number so baba only So na me de before kum innocent souls. Erade befui. And say akasa tia Moses into erade kum nipa 12,000 a day. Me show the apostle here. Na se wunya no masam na wo kan. Wo say na obeka no. E fa won ebufu a e beba wu. For the first time me down me dey first was make atam and say me need America. But me did not try it. What do you know? Only Obianya Sam and the Buffo Atlas on Akosami Papa. The SMS me pan the child, me come Papa was sometimes says that yea. Miss Adam say, me Papa, we innocent from Asana Wakam. And in Jammy Papa was to Kajosafo, or Nimbi Bia about Monagus Gucci, or Nim some of the Gucci Yadron station. The station, and then of control him. Who was that come and pay just as make a talk? Now we Yami Papa to be Nemo be go din atem. Now ko si bi papa na tem mo na papa no peni ya na se me peni. Se ye wona wo be ya sa de na me edu papa tem a me de me pa ne cho sister. Me papa da na te bidie if you say de wo ka no me papa ni wo ho hwe. E de mo am so why disappointed mo mu no. And then me tro ma mo say se wo ko fie na obi bo ma me. Na woni ahonde a woni nipa no be ko ato ma me a. Etu be se nipa na bufu wa bo ma me akunu. Ana sa obe sere se onya o ma me bo. O be to sere mo ja o ma me bo. Sere be no nku mu ma me. When na ne papa. Obe be se obi enter continue ni papa te no nkara no ntu. Na wo papa say me obi nkune ko ma me. Minim ko me fa so ko me kon decide ye. Me ba osebo. So ko di baby say obi di matama men plan ye kom na me minim kwa me fa so eko me kom enu ze fe no ode no kantanka an hu aposafo mo hwe ne flaga e nyankonton ono na ye so le nyankonton afase bia ye bedie bia no before aposafo be tu ni ka afiri fie edu baby a ebo bia no na nyankonton na to di nanim Ochameye video when is that video very sad and conton and announce a video and in the Atinamo. It's a necessary Miss Obi and I'm to respond to Obi. They will so called a say a jet area and then probably no one. Third person, you try to bring peace. And if for the fact say, and if me ma meka, I may the first was make a tamo, then media first was not at them anything. They will say, was some baby, America said, sister, Papa no can was some, that wouldn't even ye. When you be able to make one, who make a time found where this video. The activity per moon and many per wheel, and then depending for you. Gana, you're so old to be as a stuff, or piano coming here. You're so, who suffers of one wine. For the first time, Papa Robert TV, so and you say, Jabba, and just only to you. Now, more 2 minutes, Kasa, Omonkasa. They fight for themselves. Ubekina Tamaria. And I don't swear. Munim send on Yanko Pontier. A radical Moses, Mayo, OD4, Mayo, Onyankopon, and Mayo, Aaron, OD4, Amount, and Nuntino, who Moses, call.